How to find the most popular coins on CoinGecko. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can find the most popular coins on CoinGecko. And the major way to do this is by visiting CoinGecko website, visit the trading crypto section on CoinGecko. So on this section, you would see the top trending cryptocurrencies displayed on the screen. All right, so currently, as of now, these are the top trending cryptocurrencies today. So to discover this, after logging into your CoinGecko account, just go to the cryptocurrencies page, then choose highlights, and then select top trending cryptocurrencies today. And by doing that, top trending cryptocurrencies would be displayed here. It is as simple as that. And then in order for you to explore the high volume ranking, high volume coins ranking as well, you would also follow through the procedures, click cryptocurrencies, then the drop down menu select highlight, and the drop down menu choose high volume, and you would see the top 100 coins by trading volume. That's where you'll be able to see the top gainers and the top losers list. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.